Hey everyone, this is Claudia Bazar, Executive Director with Pampered Chef. I would like to show you how PostmyParty works and do a quick tutorial. So if you go to postmyparty.com/pamperedchef/, you will see a special Pampered Chef offer to try PostmyParty for free for your first 30 days. After that, it's $9.95 a month, and PostmyParty is a scheduling service that a lot of us use to do our virtual parties. It helps us to run virtual parties, a couple of them at the same time, and it helps us to set parties up and then, just check in with them once or twice a day and not have to sit there and post every couple minutes. So postmyparty.com, so here's how it works. You obviously log in or create an account and test it out for free with your next upcoming parties. Okay, so when you're in here, there's lots of tutorials already offered by PostmyParty, so make sure you watch these. The PostmyParty tutorial, the albums for multiple photos, the replacement token, how to schedule comments, and how to share templates. So one of the great things about PostmyParties is we can share templates within. So if I create a 10-day template, I can send it over to you. You can make your changes and you have your template. So you can either ask us to send your template, or you can create a template from scratch if that's what you would like to do. So under templates, you will see a list of templates that like I already have or that you will be having soon, and you can always create a new template. So when you create a new template, you want to name it. So test PostmyParty. You create your template and you start adding posts. So your first post might be just a message that says, hey everyone, welcome to this party, and so on. You would pick your date that you want it scheduled and the time, and you would save it, and you would keep going back to your template and adding until you have the perfect template. Okay, so once you have a template, you can go to your parties and you can either see a list of current parties that are going on right now, so you can schedule multiple parties ahead of time. You can only post to events with PostmyParty. You can only post to groups if it's not sales related. Like these are some trainings that are getting posted to groups. So if you want to schedule a new party, obviously you need to go to Facebook and set up your party, so it'll show up in here. You choose whatever template you want. You pick if it's a personal event or your business page or anything like that, and you pick which event you want to use. You pick the start date of when the posts are going to start, and you're going to pick your time zone. Here are the replacement tokens. So what that means is when it says replace host with, if you create a message or create a template that says, in brackets, host, thank you for having us, PostmyParty can replace this token right here with whatever you want, which obviously will be the host name. The link, this right here, will be replaced with the shopping link, and the text can be anything you want. So a lot of times the text for me is the closing date, so I don't have to go through every post and find the closing date. I can just say, hey, any post that has these brackets and text can now have the closing date on it. So the cool thing about PostmyParty is when someone sends you a template. So there's no reason to really reinvent the wheel. You can get a template from us, from our team page, and then you can just go and make some changes and adjust it to your, how you like it. So when someone sends you a template, you will get an email from PostmyParty. For example, this one says, someone sent a template to you, first log into your PostmyParty and then click this template. So when someone sends you a template, it will show up like this. And what you have to do is you have to copy and paste and save each post, but it's a lot easier than creating it. So this is the original message, and I always recommend you change it up a little bit so you don't get put in Facebook jail. So you could, instead of saying, I'm so excited, party Saturday, you can just say, I'm so thrilled, for example. And switch it up, right? So, or you could change the picture and then you would click next, and you can keep the time if you want it that way. You can always change it later. Again, welcome, copy, paste, change it up a little bit, right? Next. And eventually by the time you click through all this, this template is saved in your template list. And I highly recommend you make whatever outline you use personal. Take some personal pictures of you using the products, your family using the products, you at parties, and or edit some pictures. So these are like, for example, just edit it so they have a different background, so not everyone has the same pictures and you're less likely to be put in Facebook jail. So this is a quick tutorial. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me or your director and we can help you. So good luck running your virtual parties.